In this quick guide, I'll show you how to verify your Google Business profile using your phone, one of the fastest and easiest ways to confirm your business on Google. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tutorials. First, open your browser and go to business.google.com. This is where you manage everything related to your business on Google. Click Sign In at the top right and log in using the Gmail link to your business. If it's your first time, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account. This helps Google confirm your ownership. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Google Business dashboard. This is your control center for editing details, checking insights, and managing your business listing. Now, look for the Get Verified button. Click it to begin the verification process. Google will give you options. You can either receive a text message or get a phone call with a verification code. Choose whichever method works best for you. When you receive the code, go back to your business profile and enter it carefully in the verification box. Once submitted, your business will be officially verified by Google. This step confirms that your phone number belongs to your business, making your listing more trustworthy on Google Search and Maps. And that's it. Your Google Business profile is now verified by phone. Keep your details updated regularly to maintain your visibility and credibility online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.